Oh my God. Mrs. Emily, what happened? Are you okay? You don't look well at all. I saw you on the ground and I got really worried.
No, my dear, I don't feel very good. I was walking to my house just like every normal day, and suddenly my foot slipped on the ground and I fell down.
Oh no, that's really bad. That must have been very scary for you. Where does it hurt now?
I think my leg is injured. It hurts a lot, and I can't move it properly.
Okay, please don't worry, Mrs. Emily. Try to stay calm. I'm going to call an ambulance right now.
Thank you so much, my dear. I'm really glad you are here.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello. We need an ambulance, please.
What happened?
My neighbor slipped and fell in front of her house. Her leg hurts a lot and she can't stand up. Please come as fast as you can.
Okay, don't worry. Please tell me the address.
Number 39, 3rd Alley, Green Street.
Thank you. The ambulance will arrive in a few minutes. Please tell her not to move her leg at all and not to try to stand up until the ambulance arrives.
Okay, thank you very much. Mrs. Emily, don't worry. The ambulance will be here very soon. They told me you must not move your leg at all.
Okay, my dear. Thank you so much. It's really good that you are here with me.
Of course. I'm happy I saw you and could help. Do you need anything right now? Would you like some water?
No, my dear. You don't need to go anywhere. There is some water in my bag. Please take it out and give it to me.
Oh, I'm sorry. A photo fell out of your bag.
That's okay, my dear. Please put it back in my bag so it doesn't get lost. That photo is very important to me.
Who is in the photo?
That's my daughter Helen, her husband Mark, and my lovely granddaughter Nora. I love them so much.
Wow, that's really nice. But why haven't I seen them before?
They don't have much time to come here. Their house is 3 hours away, and they are very busy with work. We usually talk on the phone. To be honest, I miss them a lot, but I don't tell them
Why not?
because I don't want to disturb their lives. Oh, Luna, look. The ambulance is coming.
Yes, they arrived very fast.
Hello, you called an ambulance, right?
Yes. Mrs. Emily slipped and fell, and her leg hurts a lot.
Don't worry, we will put a splint on your leg now, then help you lie down on the stretcher and take you to the hospital very soon.
Thank you so much.
Can I come with you?
Of course, you can come with us. Mrs. Emily, you are very lucky. Your granddaughter was with you and called us quickly.
My granddaughter doesn't know about this. Luna is my neighbor. She is like a daughter to me. If she wasn't there, I really don't know what I would do.
It's very nice that you have such a kind neighbor. Is there anyone else you want to call?
I have a daughter, but I don't want to call her. They live far away, and I don't want to cause trouble for them.
It's better if someone stays with you tonight.
I will stay with Mrs. Emily tonight.
Oh, my dear, thank you so much.
That's great. We're arriving at the hospital now.
Mrs. Emily, I'm sorry to tell you this, but the bone in your leg is broken, and we need to put a cast on it.
Oh, my God. How long will it take to get better?
About 4 to 6 weeks.
Oh, no. I can't live like this for so long.
You can't be alone. You need someone to take care of you.
I don't really have anyone. Luna is my neighbor, and she has her own work.
Don't worry, Mrs. Emily. I work from home most days, so I can visit you often and bring you anything you need.
Mrs. Emily, you are very lucky to have such a good neighbor.
Thank you so much, Luna. I don't know how I can thank you.
I know how you can thank me.
How?
Bake those cookies you once made for me. They were the best cookies I have ever eaten.
Oh, my dear. Of course. I'll bake them for you anytime.
Can I come too and get cookies? I really love cookies.
Of course, Doctor. After I get better, I'll bake some for you too.
Great. I'll ask the nurse to give you an injection, so you won't feel pain and can sleep well.
Thank you, Doctor. That's exactly what I need right now.
Luna, Mrs. Emily will sleep comfortably until morning. You can take her home tomorrow afternoon.
Thank you, doctor.
Here is the prescription. She must take these medicines regularly for 40 days.
Okay, I'll get them in the morning. Maybe I should call her daughter. But what if Mrs. Emily doesn't want that? Is it right to use her phone? But the most important thing is her health. She needs a lot of care. Yes, I should call. Nothing is more important than her well-being.
Hello, Mom. Are you okay?
Hello. My name is Luna. I'm your mother's neighbor.
Luna? Where is my mom?
She slipped and fell today. She's in the hospital now. Her leg is broken, and the doctor says it will take 4 to 6 weeks.
Oh my God. Can I talk to her?
Not right now. She is sleeping because of the medicine. But I think it's better if you come and see her. She misses you very much, but she never says it.
We miss her too. We can come right now.
That's great. She will be very happy.
Hello. My mother was brought to this hospital last night. Her leg is broken.
What is her name?
Emily Parker.
One moment, please. Room 402, end of the hallway on the left.
Hi, Luna.
Hi.
Is my mom still sleeping?
Yes, but I think she will wake up soon.
If the doctor gave medicine, give me the prescription and I'll buy it.
The doctor said she needs these medicines for 40 days.
Okay, I'll go get them.
Thank you so much, Luna. If you weren't here, I don't know what would happen to my grandma.
I'm just happy I was there and could call the ambulance quickly.
I hope Grandma Emily feels better soon.
She will, don't worry.
How do you know my name?
A photo fell from her bag, and she told me all about you and how much she misses you.
Luna, what did they give me? Am I dreaming?
Dreaming about what?
I see Helen, Mark, and Nora. I wish this was real.
Grandma, it's real. We are here.
We are here, Mom. Don't worry.
Luna called us, and we came as fast as we could.
Thank you so much, Luna.
Grandma, we will take you to our house and take care of you.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Mrs. Emily, you're doing very well. You can go home today.
Mrs. Emily, promise me you'll get better soon.
I promise. And I'll bake cookies for you.
I'll be waiting.
Goodbye, Luna.